So horizontal compressions here is a number inside the parentheses in front of that x, and if that's greater than 0, it compresses it to the y, and if it's a fraction, it stretches it. But to find the new value to graph, you divide your x by c, and I'll explain that in the problem right here. So first you need to graph regular old f of x. So there's regular old f of x, and once again I just plug this in on my calculator, x cubed minus 4x squared. Press second graph. These are all the points, just a table of points for me, so no problem. So I graph what I can: -1, -5, 0, 0, 1, -3, 2, -8, 3, -9, 4, 0, 5, 25, and so on. So there's the regular graph. 2x, here's what you do. 2 is you actually divide the x by 2. So I divided the x all by 2, and the y's stayed the same. So those are all my new points. So there is -1/2 5, 0, 0. 1/2 -3 is now here. 1 -8. 1.5 9. So it's just shrinking everything together. And 2.5 or sorry, 2, 0, and then 2.5, 25 is way up there, so just smushed everything together. If I had the half, I took all my x's right here, and I divided them by 2. Divided them by a half. Well, -3 divided by a half is like saying -3 times 2. So -3 times 2 is -6, so I'm really multiplying everything by 2. That's why it's made it wider. So this is now like saying go over -2 and down -5, go over 0, 0 still, go over 2 and then down 3, go over 4, down 8, 6 is down there, 8 is 0. So all it did was stretch everything out. Okay, so the key here is dividing your x by that number, and that'll give you your new set of points. So this is everything all and above. So take the original and move all the parts by using the order of operations. So here's your original, right? There's the original. -2, 4, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. So 3. Multiplication and division come first. So 3 means I need to multiply those by 3. So multiply each of those by 3. There they are. Then that half means I need to divide all of those by a half, or multiply by 2. So I divide them all by a half. So this is what I have now. -4, 12, -2, 3, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 12. Okay, then that means I need to move everything up 2. So I add 2 to all of those to move it up. That means I add 4. And why am I adding 4? Because I solved this for 0. That's why. What makes this 0? 4 actually makes it 0. Right? Because 4 times a half is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So I actually have to figure out what makes that 0 inside of there. And that's a 4. So I add 4 to everything. So my actual points for my x's are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. That's 14, 5, 2, 5, 14. So 0, 14, can't graph that. But 2, 5 I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 I can. 6, 5 I can. And 8, 14 I can certainly try my best to graph. And there is my graph, wider and moved. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know on the shifts of graphs, transformations.